Hi everyone, welcome to Become Learners. This is Manpreet Kaur. If you want to speak English confidently but you don't know where to start, this video is for you. Today I'll teach you real spoken English, not book English. So, welcome on Become Learners. Spoken English for beginners. Speak confidently, speak naturally. So, first question is why spoken English matters? Because spoken English builds confidence in daily life, helps in jobs and interviews, improves personally and communication. Why spoken English is difficult? The reason is simple: no daily speaking practice. All right. Many learners know grammar and vocabulary, but still they cannot speak at all. The reason is simple: no daily speaking practice. So, right now, I'll give you rules you can follow and you can improve your spoken English. So, this is for beginners. So, let's start. First rule one is think simple. Like 1 to 2 minutes, we have to think simple. Like spoken English is simple English. Don't try long sentences. Examples. Here are examples. First one is I'm busy. I'm learning English. Please wait. I don't understand. Say them loudly. This is first rule. Think simple, think normal, normal conversation English sentences. For example, I'm busy, I'm learning English, please wait, I don't understand. Say them loudly so that you can improve your English. So next is rule second. Daily use sentences, which is main part. Like 3 minute or 5 minute, you have to be use sentences. For example, at home. At home, you can speak English like I'm cooking food, I'm cleaning my room, I'm watching TV. This is at home. You can use sentences. Second is outside. What you can use? How much is this? Please help me. I need some water. So this is a basic English you can follow and you can improve your English. This is second rule. And third rule is practice aloud. Even you can start with 1 to 2 minutes, and after that, when you practice aloud, when you practice daily English sentences and do it 10 minutes. First is speak English loud daily for 10 minutes, even if you are alone. Practice lines are here. Practice lines here. You can use today is a good day. I am improve my English. I feel confident. You can use these sentences. So first rule was think simple. Second, daily use tenses. Third, practice aloud. Then this is the three rules. Common mistakes which always people do. Do not wait for perfect English. Always people think if I will perfect, so if I will get knowledge about perfect English, then I will speak. No, do not wait for perfect English. Wrong English plus practice is equal to improvement. So do it right now. And one motivation is here. Every fluent speaker was once a beginner. You can speak English too. Just start today. Just start today. This is a
Like this video, subscribe to become learners, and comment spoken if you want more videos like this.